Right, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today dari unboxing punya series kita ada produk ni. So this is the Kenwood DMX8521S. So ini adalah modal yang antara yang latest. I believe this was tahun ni punya model kot. So this is like the flagship, not exactly flagship, but antara flagship model. Not exactly flagship, sorry. It's not a flagship model, but one of the latest series from yang 8000 series lah. Okay. This is a 6.8 inch. It's not exactly 7. So it's not untuk Toyota lah. So this is universal. Okay. I mean mana-mana Kenwood pun you boleh buat universal. Tapi dicumakan Toyota punya dia ada yang macam Myvi punya Headunit punya profile tu lah, yang dekat edge tu ada curve tu kan. So yang ini dia macam petak sikit. But we have a bracket on the side that makes it cantik lah. Okay, so apa yang special pasal ni? Yang I paling suka, the new one is all type C. Sebab sekarang banyakkan phone pun pakai type C dan sebagainya. So it's good that Kenwood decided to add type C lah. Okay. And short chassis profile. Okay, one more thing, it's Carplay and Android Auto. Dua-dua ni boleh jalan wireless and wired. Dua-dua pun boleh. But of course, kalau dah wireless, siapa nak pakai wire kan? But in stance where bila kita nak pakai wire, masih kita charge phone lah. And realistically speaking, and it's high power charging. So kalau you ada fast charging punya device that can handle fast charging, device ni boleh buat. Okay, kotak nothing special, everything is the same. Alright. Yes, so we have Bluetooth connectivity. Now I believe it's Bluetooth 5 already. Okay, and of course high res. It works on wirelessly and juga USB lah. So kalau boleh, I suggest kalau you betul-betul nak enjoy high res punya reading dan sebagainya, use it on USB. Okay, so it's better that way lah. So other than that, that's about it. And jom kita masuk unboxing pula. Okay, buka je, you akan nampak warranty card. Okay, jangan buang ni. And this one socket, I dah buka tadi lah. Okay, so now you can see it's not exactly like plug and play. Untuk Toyota dia ada socket untuk Toyota, but the best part about Toyota, you boleh plug and play dekat Myvi. Boleh plug and play Myvi, boleh plug and play kat Bezza, boleh plug and play dekat mana lagi, kebanyakan Pro 2 boleh lah. Okay, so yeah, so this is the bracket untuk profile. Different profile ada different bracket Okay, so this will go on top of the player, and dekat sini boleh nampak I akan buka ni. So this is the one that gives you the edge profile. Okay, dekat tepi ni. So that gives you the edge profile over there. And you will get your USB type C punya connection. Okay, there you go, USB type C. Okay, and ini yang untuk belakang lah, USB to USB-C. Okay, sorry, USB-C to USB-C. Okay, adapter dia. And ini oh bagus. Okay, so USB to type C pun dia bagi sekali so which is a very good thing. Bagus, sangat useful. So you don't have to go and buy. And you have your microphone. Okay, microphone ni. And you get screws. Dan seperti biasa, you akan dapat remote yang tak ada orang pakai. I don't know why they still give remote. And this is the Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, kalau nak connect Wi-Fi atau you want to connect phone wirelessly, wireless mirroring, yes, you boleh pakai ni. So this is the Wi-Fi punya adapter lah. Okay, and you have another profile punya ni untuk screen. So ini sesuai untuk Bezza lah. So Bezza kan dia petak kan. So okay, you can use this, and this is more for Myvi lah. Myvi atau yang pakai 7-inch punya display profile. So it's good that Kenwood actually included this lah. Sangat bagus. Okay, battery. And you'll have your manual. Lagi satu orang yang tak suka baca, dia akan abaikan benda ni. And you have your steering wheel control. Okay, so if you nak pakai steering wheel, you boleh pakai benda tu lah. Okay, so now kita buka ni. Oh, this is very small actually, sangat kecil. Okay, it's very small. Okay, kita buka plastik dia. Okay, so this is the head unit itself. Okay, sama je macam Kenwood biasa. Okay, you can see you have preamp output, you have your subwoofer, you have your front, and you have your rear. Antenna FM dah ada, and then you have camera input, reverse camera, front and cam. This one I don't know what it is. Untuk steering wheel control, Wi-Fi adapter. This one I'm not sure what it is. This is microphone. And ini kalau nak pakai Kenwood punya dashcam tu lah. Alright. So pretty much that's it lah. Nothing special about it in terms of design dan bagainya lah. Okay. So dekat sini. Oh, why is it so difficult lah? Okay, so this is how the unit looks like. Okay, so you have your power button, menu, camera. This is your volume rocker, up and down. Okay, and your illumination light here. So there you have it. This is the Kenwood DMX8521S. So I'll do an installation and I will also do a review on this lepas kita dah pasang dan bagainya lah. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this short video and I'll see you guys in the next one.